Hello everyone. Today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z and color name. White color, gray color, brown color, this pink color, blue color, purple color, red color, dark green color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, brown color, and sky blue color. Let's draw. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, P, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint. Pink color. A for apple. Sky blue color. B for ball. Blue color. C for cat. Red color. D for dog. Yellow color. E for egg. Orange color. F for fish. Light green color. G for goat. Purple color. H for horse. Pink color. I for ink. Sky blue color. J for jug. Blue color. K for kangaroo. Red color. L for lion. Yellow color. M for mouse. Orange color. N for nose. Light green color. O for onion. Purple color. P for panda. Pink color. Q for quiet. Sky blue color. R for rain. Blue color. S for sunflower. Red color. T for tiger. Yellow color. U for umbrella. Orange color. V for volcano. Light green color. W for watch. Purple color. X for X-ray. Pink color. Y for yo-yo. Sky blue color. Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.